Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the physical and basic software setup so you don't chase ghosts. First, make sure cables are seated and the external monitor is powered, then open display settings. Once inside, identify which display Windows recognizes and check the current resolution value. You need to confirm whether scaling or resolution is causing the zoomed-out look. If the wrong monitor is targeted, switch to the correct one now, so subsequent steps apply to the screen you're fixing. Now you'll change the values that control display size and clarity. Set the resolution to the recommended native value. That restores pixel mapping and often fixes zoomed-out content. Next, change scaling to 100% or the system-recommended percentage. This affects UI size. Once done, try toggling between options to see immediate effects. If Windows blurs or misscales, open Advanced Scaling Settings and enter a custom value or clear custom scaling to let apps reset to default behavior. Finish by ensuring drivers and refresh rate aren't the culprit. Update or reinstall the display driver from Device Manager, then check the Monitor tab to confirm the refresh rate matches the monitor's specs. Once you apply settings, sign out and back in or restart to lock them in. If things still look wrong, roll back the driver or boot into safe mode to test default display behavior. This isolates driver issues and helps you decide whether to revert settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.